Hey guys, welcome back, and we are continuing with our rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxings, guys. And as I've said, we've got stuff from Europe, from Japan, from the UK, and bits and bobs from all over. So, yep. So this little machine here, guys, has started to become pretty rare in Japan. Not maybe as much in Europe, but definitely so in Japan. Now, as I said, if there's body shells I like, I always try and get an extra just in case they do sell out. So here we have got the Toyota GT1 TS020 number 3. And yeah, out of the kind of racing ones, I always love this one because of the spoiler. Had a massive spoiler at the back. The paintwork was pretty simple, just white and red. But I don't know, it just always caught my fancy, that did. And just a mean looking machine. Now I've noticed a lot of the guys that race, I think the wheelbase on this is, sorry about the rain guys, I'm in the conservatory, so yeah, we've got to carry on. The wheelbase on this I believe is 102 millimeters. Alright, so that's going from the front wheel to the back wheel. And this is the shell I've seen racers use. I think it's got brilliant aerodynamics, and just generally I think people that race like to use the MR03 102mm wheelbase kind of cars. I think the handling is much better than other cars from what I hear. I'm not a racer myself, but that's what I've heard from other racers. Okay, and with that, I did manage to get something, nothing amazing, guys. I used shell, but I'm gonna decal this up. So let's have a look. One of my favourite shells, but this isn't the Red Bull version. This is just pretty plain. It's just been coloured up in a black and silver colour with some red lights, which is weird. So I'm thinking about decaling that out to make it look like a mean machine. Might even repaint it, I'm not sure, but it's the same as the Red Bull shell that you can see over here, just a lot plainer. But hopefully I can do something with that. So, right, check them little bad boys out on the display stand, guys, and I shall move on while I've got daylight. On to the next amazing little machines, guys. Crazy stuff coming up. Get subscribed, get notified to Mossy5734, guys. You're gonna love. There's some custom shells. Might be the next vid. You're gonna love that one. Take a look at it. Okay. Check them out on the display stand. Okay, guys. I thought I'd wait until the dog stopped barking and the person stops trimming the hedge or whatever they're doing. But I don't think that's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna roll it. I'm just gonna roll it, guys. I can't wait for these guys all day long. I've got all my stuff set up, so yeah. I'm telling you, I'm sure they just wait for me to start filming and then they start all their work. But anyhow, I might just mute it, guys, because it's not fair on you guys to listen to this. Anyhow, Audi DTM shell. That's what I'm going to custom out. Might even repaint it, I'll see. But I thought it's cheap. Spare shell, not a problem. I can do something with that. So yeah. So I'm probably going to mute this, guys, and you can just watch it if you want to go around. But yeah. Okay, guys, so here we've got the Toyota GT1 TS020 Number 3. It's not totally rare, but has become much more rare. Don't you just love the way their mirrors are like positioned in different places? I've just noticed that's crazy. The one's on the actual fender, one's just below it, so that's interesting. Right, so yeah guys, has become more harder to get hold of. When I got into Mini Zs, you could find these 10 to a penny, they were like everywhere. And now I've probably seen 2. So, and this is the racer's preference for Mini Zs. A lot of the guys who are racing with Mini Zs are using them cars.